a child of immigrants from Canada. You know, people don't really like it when you say you're a first-generation American from Canada, because it's like diversity edging. Or at least that's how it was phrased in my rejection letter from USC. Yeah, go Trojans. I'm going into my senior year, which means I'm looking for a job. But it's hard because the only skills I have are applicable for one job only, and that is being Millie Bobby Brown. I would be her so well, but unfortunately that job is taken and will be for the unforeseeable future because she is tenured. Luckily, I realized, though, that I'm better fit for a different job altogether, and that is being an 1800s midwife. Yes. My boobs are ready to breastfeed at a moment's notice. Thank you. And I've been around a couple babies before from a distance. I'm sure I could find access to some other ones and practice before I start the job. You guys have access to a baby, you three? You guys here together? Yeah? What are your guys' names? All right, fuck, marry, kill. I'm waiting for an answer, guys. Whatever. I've been thinking about buying a gun recently. Don't worry, I don't have one yet. Just in case I run into Mr. Beast. So I could shoot myself. Thank you. I'm actually really good at spotting celebrities because I stalk them. I struggle with mental health, but not in like a typical way. When I'm sad, I don't cut myself. I find out where my high school English teacher lives. You know, thank God I'm medicated now, because there was a point in time when I was heavily involved in the Stranger Things fandom. Specifically the Finn Wolfhard fandom. Now, I don't know if anyone in here has ever impersonated a child star's father on Twitter before, but that does not go well. No. Especially if you accurately and seriously impersonate chosen father, people will start to think you are that father, and, you know, you'll get involved in some divorce proceedings. Luckily, I didn't get to that part because my account was shut down before it got to 10 followers, because Finn's brother actually found the account and reported it, and it was shut down. Which actually was the best possible thing that could have happened, because I was probably the center discussion at the Wolfhard dinner table, so win for me. Thank you. Thank you. You know, I didn't get medicated for my mental health until a couple years after the Twitter stuff, and when I was getting diagnosed, I never even told my psychiatrist about any of that. I was just talking about my daily habits and routines, and she was like, "We've heard enough, thank you." Thank you. I mean, I still struggle every once in a while. You know, we all get different urges. Whenever I pass an accident, I, you know, open Safari and listen to Cop Radar to see what happened. And, you know, I also, you know, sometimes get worse urges where I'm like, what was my high school English teacher's senior year superlative? class rocker. Thank you. I'm Kate. Thank you.